This holiday card holder is a great way to display all of your holiday cards. It's easy to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need a long flat piece of wood such as a yardstick or these two rulers that I will glue together. You can also use a flat piece of wood from the craft store. Small clothespins, acrylic paint, paintbrush, a glue gun, scissors, wax paper or some other covering for your table, and trim, beads, or other small decorative items. You can do this project with a yardstick, but I found these two wood rulers from the dollar store. These are the backs of the rulers that I'm going to hot glue together. So you can use a variety of materials for the backing. I like these rulers because they already have holes on each side, so it will be easy to hang. You want to paint your rulers or yardstick with acrylic paint. I've mixed some white and blue paint together to get the color that I want. To get full coverage, you might want to do 2 coats of paint. Let the first coat completely dry and then do another coat. You can leave your clothespins natural, or you can paint them as I've done here with a dark blue acrylic paint. There's no real easy way to do this. It's messy, so just know that your fingers are going to get full of paint. They take a while because you want one side to dry, and then you can turn it over and do the other side. Once everything is completely dry, we can start gluing things together. So normally I avoid hot glue and try to use alternatives, but for this project I think hot glue is really the best option. If you don't want to use hot glue, you could try a really strong glue such as E6000. So I'm gluing the edges of my rulers together, making sure to get it even, and then putting on the clothespins. I'm going to start in the middle to cover up that seam, and then you can measure out the spaces to make sure that you get them evenly. I'm just going to wing it by putting one on each end and then spacing them evenly in between. It's probably safer to measure though. At this point, you can add some sealer or coat everything in Mod Podge if you would like. It's an optional step. Now it's time to decorate. I'm going to add this plastic snowflake trim that I have, but you can use whatever you have on hand, any kind of ribbon or beads. So I'm just going to hot glue it in place along the top. And then I'm going to cut the trim apart and get some of these little snowflakes to glue around for more decoration. But again, you can do whatever you would like. Once all the glue is dry, you're ready to hang it on the wall and display your cards. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you new craft videos every week.